We all know the story of hare and tortoise, which we heard in our school days. The tortoise wins the race, and we got the moral that slow and steady wins the race. This is one perspective to the story. But the story doesn't end there. After the race, there was a big celebration, and tortoise was honored by the king of the jungle, that is, lion. From this point, there are two different perspectives other than this. The same day night, Hare felt very much humiliated. He wanted to prove his mettle again. Without getting sleep, he went to the house of Tortoise and challenged him for one more race the next day. Tortoise warned Hare that he may be defeated again. The race was set for the next day. This time, the hare didn't sleep and he was determined to win. Then we get the moral of the story. Yes, if you are determined, you can right the wrongs because the hare won. Friends, the story didn't end there. The same day night, again, Tortoise felt that somehow he wanted to regain the title from the hare. This time, Tortoise went to Hare's home and invited him for the race. Hare giggled and sarcastically said to Tortoise, "Don't think that I'll sleep in the race again and again." Yet, the tortoise showed determination. At last, Hare nodded, but Tortoise said to Hare that he will set the track, and Hare also agreed to it. The next day, the race began. The track was set, and it was for 2 kilometers. Hare was seen overconfident of winning that day. The race started. But when Hare went ahead, he had to stop at a point because a river intervened. Hare felt outsmarted. He had to wait until Tortoise came. But quickly, Hare realized his mistake and admitted to Tortoise on his pride. Tortoise also asked Hare to get on his back. Then both swam and reached the other side of the bank. Then, when they reached the other side of the bank, now Hare asked Tortoise to get on his back and they both reached the destination with ease. Now we get the moral that smart work makes impossible things possible. Now, friends, stop. This is one perspective. Now, I want you to go back to the same place where the tortoise won and he was honored by the king of the jungle, lion. So, on that same day night, tortoise threw a big party to all the fellow animals. There was huge fun and frolic. Everyone was enjoying the party. At the same time, they were seeing that a speeding deer came to the lion and announced to him that a forest fire is soon approaching and they could all get burnt and be killed at any moment. Now, the lion was very apprehensive and he had to search for someone who could run fast, dodge the fire, and reach the fire station quickly. So he summoned Hare and asked him to go to the fire station at once and inform the fire brigade about the freshly erupted forest fire. Then Hare came near to Lion. It whispered in the ears of Lion, "May I know why are we here? What for is this party for?" Then the lion told in a very stern voice, "Don't you know Tortoise has overtaken you today in the race and hence the party?" Oh, ho. Then the hare continued, "Yes, then ask Tortoise to go and inform the fire station. Why me?" So the lion got flabbergasted. And then we get a moral that slow and steady wins the race, but not always. Thank you, friends.